You go first.
I get to go first. It's Mrs. Hannah.
And Mr. Leatherwood.
And we're back.
We're multiplying again.
Yep.
And we're doing partial products again.
Woohoo!
There's a difference, though.
Uh-oh. Pay attention.
We're missing a word right here. There is no box today.
Partial products without the box.
Without the box. And we're even we're gonna start with the same examples.
Cool.
That we used on our box method.
So we could kind of go back and look if we wanted to.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay. So the way we do this, instead of drawing a box, we're going to write it like you may see a traditional person doing their multiplication.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And it's just like partial products. I'm going to do my ones place times my ones place.
All right.
So that's easy, right?
Oh, yeah. I can figure that out.
3 times 2 is 6.
6.
Okay, that's easy.
Make sure you're writing this down.
Oh, yeah. And then I'm going to do here's where it gets a little different. I'm going to do my ones place times my tens place.
All right.
But I'm not doing 3 times 3 because that's not 3. What is that?
Oh, that's right. It's in the tens place. That's a 30.
It's 30. So I'm doing 3 times 30. And so 3 times 30 is going to be 90.
Oh, and that's why we put that little 0 there.
Exactly.
When you're multiplying the traditional way, because that really is a 30.
Yeah,
okay.
Because you're doing 3 times 3.
All right. That's making sense.
And then it's simple after that. We just need to add those two together, just like we did on partial products with a box.
That's right. You got to add it all up.
Yeah, doing the same thing without the box. So we get 96 is our answer.
And multiplication and addition are like partners because they're the same. They both make the numbers get bigger.
Mm-hmm.
And really, multiplication just is repeated addition, so it would make sense to add.
Yeah. Like we said before, like multiplication means groups of, so we're really doing 3 groups of 32.
Oh, and we're just putting those groups together.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Definitely. All right, let's see. Let's go to our more difficult one. All right, so our big one. Ready here?
Oh, the big one.
Yeah. 875. I'm going to write it this way so we don't have to write it twice. Times 12.
All right.
All right. So same thing. We're going to break it up into little bitty parts, but we're just not using a box to do that.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to do our ones place times our ones place. So 2 times 5 is 10.
So I'm not doing any carrying.
Oh, no.
I'm just writing down the answer down at the bottom where it goes.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. So we did 2 times 5. Now I'm going to do 2, my ones place, times my tens place. So 2, not times 7, 2 times 70.
Okay.
Okay. So 2 times 70 equals...
Has to be 140.
140.
Because 2 times 7 is 14, but then I have to add that 0 on because it's really a 7D.
Exactly.
Okay.
So then we're going to keep going. We're not quite done with this ones place. We're going to do 2 times 800 now because this is really the 800 or the hundreds place.
All right.
So 2 times 8 is 16.
Yes, but then I need zeros, and it's 100, so there's 2 zeros.
Perfect. You're so smart.
Oh, man. Maybe I should be a math teacher.
Maybe you should. That would be great. So I'm done with my ones place.
Okay.
Now, do you teach your kiddos to mark it out? Or do you okay.
We do. And we say, just have a silly saying that we say chicken scratch because, their feet kind of look like an egg.
Yeah.
And then goose lays an egg, and, well, you see all the eggs that have already been laid.
Okay, so we're done with that one, so
yep.
we'll scratch it out. Okay. So then I got to go back, and I got this place to do. Now remember, this is a tens place.
Oh, now that's a 10.
So everything we multiply, we're multiplying it by 10. So we're going to do 10 times 5. Well, 10 times 5 should be easy for us now. We get what?
50.
50. All right, just checking. And then we're going to do 10 times 70, because this is in the tens place.
Oh, that's going to be a tricky one.
That is. So
okay.
I think it's 700?
Because I have a 0, a 10 has a 0, and 70 has a 0. I need 2 zeros. That's right.
So 700. And then we got one more to do. We got to do 10 times 800. So I think that's a big one.
800 and then add a 0.
Yep. 8,000.
Wow.
So it's a lot.
That got big.
It got big pretty quick. But we do have a lot of zeros.
We do.
So it's not as hard as it may look.
It's not hard.
No.
It's just big.
It's just big. So I'm going to move it over here so we can have a little bit more room. I'm just moving these numbers over. You don't have to do this if you had room on your paper, but we ran out of screen space. Notice everything's lined up really good. So then all we have to do is add.
Got to put those groups together.
So 0 is easy, because 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0.
I know everyone can do that.
Yeah. And then we're going to add our 10s up. So we got these guys. 5 plus 4 equals 9, plus 1 more is 10.
Oh, this isn't hard at all.
Not at all. 7 plus 6 is 13, 14, 15. And then 8, 9, 10. So if you remember from our other video, if you watched the other video, we got the same answer, 10,500.
We got it right again.
Woohoo!
I bet they can do this now.
I sure do hope so.
If not, you know what? You could watch the video again and
Practice.
Yeah.
Practice and practice. I want to give them a couple of practice problems.
let's go for it.
If we were smart, we would have written down the other ones but we kind of, I guess
Yes.
we want them to be new.
Yes,
Right?
definitely. We meant to do that.
Yeah, clearly. Hold on. My deleting. There we go. All right.
All right, you get to come up with these.
So we want you to do partial products, but without the box.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of stepping out of the box, one would say.
Oh.
See?
Look
See?
how smart we are.
See how I did that?
I
All right.
like it.
Give me a good one.
Oh, it's your turn.
Oh, my
I
turn.
came up with a good one
All right.
last time.
How about 323
Oh, yeah.
times 34?
Ooh, that'll be a good
It
one.
was real 3 heavy.
It was.
Yeah, we'll practice.
I
our
hope they know
threes.
their threes
Yeah.
facts.
And then we'll give them a little easy one to end with. How
All right.
about 47 times 19?
Yep. I
I'll throw
like
a
that.
9 in there.
Ooh,
Nines and
2 by 2.
sevens.
Yeah.
9s and 7s.
Better know those facts.
That's right. So are we good?
Yep.
All right. Practice, practice.
Yep.
This is a big week for multiplication, so do amazing.
You can do it. Bring
All
it
right.
to class tomorrow.
Later, Gators.
Bye.